first, everyone, we will start with Mr. Jindal's session, and then we will start the Q&A.
Good afternoon, everyone. And I think we had a fantastic session. It was like going back to college. Mukesh has also been our student. I have been student of Professor Sehgal, and I did my doctorate as well.
No, but you have done many degrees. So was getting everything, you know. So first of all, thank you so much. Thanks to everyone in the audience. And it's a privilege to share my knowledge
and experience with all of you, the senior government people who help us, who have helped us always, and who continue to help us live a better life. So it's always a privilege. And I think, you know, sharing of knowledge and information is always good. You know, like I tell my investors and clients, don't leave everything to your advisors. It's very important that you understand so that you can take better decisions. Advisor can only help you with the information. At the end of the day, वो आपका पैसा है, किसी decision लेना है, तो जितनी आप knowledge रखेंगे, उतना decision making better होगा. You guys agree? So on the basis of that, मैंने कुछ knowledge जो मैंने last 15 years में gain किया है, I'm trying to share over here. So most of you are retired or you're going to retire or on the verge of retire. So my question to you, are you guys happy, excited? Are you looking forward in terms of, you know, money management? Does it worry you कि कैसे पैसा manage होगा, क्या होगा? Does it worries you? Your retirement, is it worrying you or it's not worrying you?
It doesn't worry, but there is a thinking.
Huh.
There's a concern.
There is a concern. So what are the concerns?
Yeah.
If someone can, you know, it will be good if we can make the session interactive. एक दो आप concern बताइए. What are the concerns you have? क्या concern होते हैं normally?
If I have invested in the share market and that company is giving me very good dividend for a long period of time, and the amount of dividend which I have collected, perhaps in 2-3 years itself, is much more than the price I invested in the share, then should I keep on holding to it because it is year after year and keeping on increasing, sometimes even exponential,
Sure.
and also has given bonus shares?
Yeah.
Should I sell it or should I retain it?
Got it.
Concern
Any other
is that I get a corpus at the time of my retirement.
Yeah.
How do I preserve my corpus? At least
Preserve the corpus.
I don't go below what I got.
Safety of
And if I
safety
can
of
get
capital.
some modest return,
Any other concerns? General concerns.
When I retired, or I was about to retire, my concern was the life which I am leading during my tenure. I'm working. My wife is not working. She's a house homemaker. So I can promise her you'll be leading the same life which you are leading till the date of my retirement.
Exactly.
So I should have that much of corpus, or I should plan in such a way
Yeah.
that it should not be disturbed.
Of course.
Taking care of my medical because I'm
Standard
not.
of life should retain as
Yeah.
it was when I was earning.
Of course.
Simply speaking.
Yeah.
I would say, though I'm not very pleased with this happening, but the only concern is like the government has now reduced the limit for GPF, as sir also pointed out. So we have an extra corpus every month, which earlier we used to invest in the GPF. So how to park that money? Yeah.
There's something since you have spoken about the PF issue.
Ma'am, we'll come to specific issues
Yeah,
later.
no, I'm coming to the
Yeah.
specific issue.
No, specific we will do later, ma'am.
Tax implication.
We will do specifics later. This is general I was
Okay,
asking.
the concern is about PPF.
Huh.
Now, whether the person should continue with PPF because no return, no relief is going to be available in the matter of tax for the
Sure.
retired person.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. So, you know, at Alpha Capital,
We have been advising 1,300 clients, and based on that, you know, I have put down some of the concerns which our clients have when we meet up. Like, will I be able to take care of my regular expenses after requirement, maintain the same lifestyle? What if I run out of money in my retirement? You know, the life expectancy is going up. What do I do if there is a sudden burden of expense? You know, today medical expense can be very large. Children, you know, sometimes children, they leave the job or they need money for the venture. How do you do that? How to make investment which is safe and which is good return? Let's say sir has got the corpus. Is the stock market safe? What if I lose money in the stock market? What will happen to my children after me? I'm sure you must have thought, how will the money go to them? You know, sir was talking about nomination, succession. How much money should I have now for a good retirement? Like, ma'am, you're building corpus. How much should we really have? Kitna ikhatta karna hai? That is also important to know. How to trust anyone with my money for investment? All are cheaters. That's what we were discussing. How to trust. Fixed deposit.
No, well, you have to start with that premise, no?
It's always better to start most negative.
Hard-earned money है ना सबका.
Fixed deposit, real estate, gold, insurance, gold. सर ने सबके बारे में बताया. Now, which is the best investment? सबका पता चल गया information. We noted it down. Now, कैसे उसको allocate करें? Where to invest? How much to invest? Is my investment growing at a post-tax return of 10% to beat the inflation? Inflation in India is 6%. और वो जो inflation का number है, that is India's inflation. And India is majorly poor. Poor are consuming.
छोटा नंबर है वो. Because
poor
वो
are
WPI
consuming
पे.
rice, cereals and all, which is controlled, price is controlled by the government.
जो HNIs हैं, जो normal HNIs हैं, middle class हैं, उनके लिए inflation अलग है. जो medical and education inflation is far higher. That is at 10%. So technically inflation effective for us. The fruits and vegetables which we consume, they're very expensive. They grow up very high. तो हमारे लिए inflation तो 8% है. So any investment earning below 8% post-tax is a concern. So are these questions coming in your mind, or maybe I have given you some hints? But normally this is what? Monitoring. Of course. So monitoring, there'll be many more concerns, but these are general concerns. So today I'll remove all these worries for you. Okay? So let me tell you briefly about myself. I am founder of Alpha Capital. We started this company in 2009. We published 2 books, Dream Big and Crorepati Mindset, which was done by CNBC. We are expert in family office and wealth management service. Family office is very popular in developed markets, US and Europe. As a family office expert, we advise on your complete balance sheet rather than only, limited investments which are there. We provide low-cost advisory to clients on the complete balance sheet and help clients retire happily. In the last 13 years, we've advised 1,100 clients. These numbers have gone up across 26 countries and have successfully generated a profit of around 2,000 crores for our clients. And we are recognized by CNBC India Today Outlook. So these are some of the credentials to share. Now, we talked about the challenges which you have. Let me share with you some of the challenges which we are seeing is going to become very big in the coming years. I'll share with you 3 challenges. One is a pension dilemma. There was a survey by the Bloomberg with Reserve Bank of India that how many people are, are expecting a retirement or they're planning, like have they done any planning? So 44% of the Indian population, they don't expect to retire. They plan to work in the business or whatever they have. 33% have not done any planning. 10% have planned and 13% are actively planning. So almost 23%, are really working on retirement planning. And this is the most important exercise. A lot of time we end up doing this exercise when we retire, jab hamare paas, limited hota hai in the sense, technically I suggest that you should tell your children also that they should start doing retirement planning. Because in the early years you can take much higher risk. But having said that, even at this age, if planning can be done, it will be wonder. And I think it's a big problem to handle. Now, this is a life expectancy. In India, the life expectancy is 70 years, and it continues to grow up as we become, rich and the quality of life improves. US has 78, a lot of European countries has 90. As per research, for every year which we are living, our life expectancy is going up by 6 months. I'm sure you guys must have read, it was lot covered. So अगर आप आज सोच रहे हो कि हम 80-90 साल तक जियोगे, let me tell you, all of you are most probably going to cross 100 and you're going to live 110, 120 years. So what is happening? You've retired at 60. अभी 60 साल और निकालना है. उस जो कॉर्पस आपको मिला है सर.
Mukesh, one thing in a lighter mood.
Yeah.
Because पीछे आया था genetic engineering से by the turn of the century, मतलब we will not be there. Human life expectancy will be close to 900 years. So my daughter was saying कि बच्चे 250 साल तक स्कूल में पढ़ेंगे क्या? ब्रह्मचर्य में.
करने वाले हैं.
हैं जी?
एवरेज जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको सीनियर सिटीजन को 80 करने वाले हैं.
80 करना. अच्छा.
यूएन की रिकमेंडेशन. एजेड को 80 के बाद एजेड मानते हैं हम.
करने वाले हैं, बट take 7 years after.
They say the aged person is the one who has crossed 80.
So जो आप
Senior citizen has.
So you know the concerns which you have, जो आप लोगों ने बोला, advisors are not giving right advice, because this is happening because you can't take risk. Because with this corpus, you have to manage your life for maybe next 40, 50, 60 years. इसमें हम risk नहीं ले सकते, and it has to run. Last, you know, the biggest fear which I have is the inflation. Inflation is a small number, 6%, but of course it, you know, erodes the capital. 100 rupee becomes, the value of that becomes 75 in 5 years. In 30 years, it's left with 17. So आपको जो beat करना है, सिर्फ inflation को beat करना है. I think if post-tax you can make 8% return, that's a bare minimum we have to target. 8% is something, उससे ऊपर जो आ रहा है, it's a bonus. 10%, you know, sir said, Sanjay, Professor Munish sir said, in moderation. You know, if you can get 9-10% post-tax return consistently, I think that's good to have. But this is a, you know, target, this is what we have to beat. So, you know, we have to learn, we have to get knowledge to do this. Now the question mark is, what is government employee doing about it? अब ये जब पता चल गया, अच्छा ये problem है, and you know, I know about government employees because my wife works with Reserve Bank of India, and my father-in-law is also government employee. So I know, you know, how they have been investing, what's the thought processes. So let's see what they have been doing. Normally, the most preferred investment is employee provident fund, and you know, we get a pre-tax return of 8.1%, and now part of it has become taxable. PPF is again a big investment. They do a lot of bank fixed deposits because they feel it's safe and comfortable. आज के दिन, you know, the bank FD rates are 8%, but people don't calculate that post-tax it will be around 5%. There are pension, NPS, of course, pension is also taxable. A lot of time, आपको लगता है pension will be 1 lakh, like my father-in-law gets pension, but of course it's taxable, and you know, my brother-in-law has to support him. So those kind of things happen. There are a lot of guaranteed insurance policies. They'll say, you know, you'll get so much, 10% pension every year, and there are so many hidden numbers on that. Eventually, what you get is around 5% post-tax. But people feel very safe. You know, like you go to Bengal, especially in the East, people will only invest in FD and insurance. It's very popular everywhere. Real estate for rental income. Of course, we do a lot of real estate. When I say, of course, one house is bought, but a lot of time government employees also buy. Like in RBI, most of the colleagues of my wife have bought real estate, and they feel that it will appreciate. And shares and mutual funds are there. So I'm sure all of you must have invested in shares and mutual fund. But the question mark is, what is the exposure? What percentage of your money you have invested? Normally, what I've realized is that it's a small exposure. So if you look at this, what is government employee doing? I told you our target return is 8% post-tax. Majority of the money which is coming, if it's allocated like this, we are not matching that. And 8% is the base rate. Ideally, we should target, you know, if you have to live a luxurious life, 10%, 11%. So this is what is happening. Maybe we don't have the time, and but I think it's important we learn and devote some time on this. So that's why this session. I think the one big reason is the, you know, old beliefs we carry. Our parents, grandparents, they invested in FD, land, insurance, so we feel more comfortable with it. And second is the lack of knowledge. We feel that, you know, the other new investments, which could be stock market or mutual funds, they could be gambling, speculation. Maybe you had bad experiences in the past. Thoda humne dala, kharab experience ho gaya, then we don't want to touch it. We hear stories from our friends and all, yeah, hamare parents ne dala. So a lot of time, I think investment awareness is a big problem. So learning is the biggest solution for this. And I think it's also important to learn and change. You know, we all carry mindsets. हमारे दिमाग में ना चल रहा है for many hundreds of years, thousands of years से जो हमारे पूर्वज हैं उनके दिमाग से जो उन्होंने देखा हम भी वही सीख गए. And that mindset has to change. So what are some of the mindsets? Like old mindset which we carry is retirement means controlled and low spending. जैसी retirement आता है हम सोचते हैं यार कम खर्चा करो, बचाओ कि खत्म ना हो जाए. But I think the new mindset should be, can the retirement be luxurious? That's how what we have to think. Old is stock market is gambling, speculation. according to me, अगर आप मेरे से पूछोगे ना, maybe since I've been investing for 15 years now, I think stock market is the safest and gives the highest potential. It's safer than your bank FD also. That's what I feel. Maybe, you know, I'll take a session on this separately. And maybe because I have the experience, I have the knowledge. But अगर किसी के पास knowledge है, and I'll show you the chart why it's safer. And but that's the new mindset which people should have. Old is only businessmen and MNC employees can earn a lot of money. This is the thought process we carry. Government employees के पास तो पैसा हो ही नहीं सकता. I think even new government employees can, you know, can earn a lot of money. अगर investments ठीक से करें, when they are young especially, there can be lot of wealth. I have lot of clients, you know, and I have seen lot of government employees also seeing a very good corpus. Real estate, fixed deposit, insurance are the best investment. This is what we carry. I think we need to learn about new avenues. It's not about क्या अच्छा है क्या खराब है. Today I'm not going to tell you क्या अच्छा है क्या खराब है. I don't want to sell anything. I don't want to recommend anything. What I'm saying, can we learn about new things and see कि इसमें क्या हम try करें? Money management and learning about markets are difficult. That's what I'm, you know, like tracking is difficult. कैसे होगा? But it's very easy, and I'm going to tell you how it's going to happen. It's very easy. अगर आप इसको system में कर लेंगे, it's very easy. Markets are very easy. So can we change some of these mindsets? What do you think? Is it possible? और जिस दिन हमने mindset change कर लिया ना, उस दिन सारी problem solve हो जाएगी. Lot of time, you know, I have so many learned clients. They are CEOs and all, but they still carry this कि नहीं यार FD में करते हैं, safe है. And you know the old things, insurance policy ले लेते हैं. It takes time. Yeah. And yes, investment advisors are cheaters, so I'm going to change that. And right and trusted advisors can help. But yes, don't close your eyes and give your money to advisors. And it's your money. आपको उसमें मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Take information from them, as जैसे Professor Sehgal ने भी बोला. Don't give money to them अगर आपको confidence नहीं आ रहा. Don't rush. But just take advice from them and invest where you feel comfortable. Now I'm going to give you solutions, okay? I'm going to give you 5 simple solutions. I'm not going to talk about jargon. पैसा ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो. There are many information available. आप Google कर लो. How to invest? You will get the information. But I'm going to give you 5 solutions which according to me are practical and which you should do. और अगर ये हमने कर लिया तो problem solve हो जाएगी. One is make a list of all your assets. You know, like in so many years I made so many, you know, clients. जब उनके साथ बैठता हूँ उनको पता नहीं होता पैसा कहाँ पे है, क्या है, होता है rough idea होता है. So one simple thing is that you need to collect all the information, make a simple table. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे एक sample chart लगाया है. And what it shows कि, you know, asset type जैसे debt है, mutual fund, bond है, fixed deposit, equity shares है, mutual fund है, gold है, real estate है, कौन holder है, A, B, C, उनके नाम पे कितना पैसा है. Now, अगर आप ये बना लोगे ना, you have achieved 50% of the solution. आपने battle जीत ली. The challenge is हमारा focus नहीं आता है. जिस दिन इस पे focus आ गया, ये आपने बना लिया ना, the problem will automatically solve. And ये आप बनाओ and you have to update this on a monthly basis. जब आप monthly basis पे update करने जाओगे, आप देखोगे अरे यार ये figure बढ़ा, ये नहीं बढ़ा, what's the problem? So you'll go into that. Now it will solve lot of your purpose. जब आप बनाने लगोगे, आपका interest आने लगेगा. अच्छा आप देखोगे last month it was 11 करोड़. अरे इस month तो you know it has become 12 crores. Wow, it's giving me more profit. Can I make it better? So when we make clients, we see कि उनको कुछ वो नहीं होता. They don't know exactly where it is. They have rough idea. But एक बार हम बना देते हैं ये, तो उनका इंटरेस्ट आ जाता है. यार इसको कैसे improve करें, क्या करें? They go into the detail. And then what it also solves is transfer of wealth to next generation. हम सोचते नहीं है, मतलब you know we feel we can defy the god कि मरेंगे नहीं जल्दी से, but you know sometimes surprises happen. Lot of wealth gets lost in transition. And अगर ये चीज हम organize करके रख देंगे, just imagine how easy it will be for them. Then children these days, you know, they are so busy. Either they are overseas, या India maybe they are in different cities. They don't want to waste time कि अच्छा आपने कहाँ पे क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है, उसको कैसे रिकवर करूँ. जैसे सर ने बोला, प्रोफेसर मुनीष सर ने, नॉमिनेशन करेक्ट नहीं है, आपको 5 चक्कर लगाने पड़ेंगे.
लगाएगा नहीं वो.
हाँ, क्या लगाएगा वो? लेट मी टेल यू, वो नहीं लगाएगा, बोले जाने दो.
1.5 लाख रुपए छोड़
कौन यूएस से कौन आएगा यहाँ?
Sir, I'll tell you, forget about others. Unfortunately, I lost my father.
I know.
And उनके रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज में 1 करोड़ के शेयर हैं. अब वो मेरे से प्रोसेस नहीं हो रहा. मेरा काम है पर नहीं करता मैं. मतलब यू नो जब आपका होता है इट्स डील कौन करे, मतलब आप सोचते कमा लोगे, यू नो, आई एम जस्ट द थॉट प्रोसेस एंड वी सी दैट हैपनिंग विद सो मेनी क्लाइंट्स एंड बच्चे नहीं करेंगे. सो आफ्टर वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट्स योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, आपको ना बच्चों को पैसा प्लेट में देना है. आफ्टर यू इट शुड नॉट बी प्रॉब्लम फॉर देम. वो ये नहीं बोल के जाए यार पापा ने क्या किया, डीमैट करा देते, नॉमिनी रख देते तो मेरा तो नहीं होता बबल.
They use better adjectives.
Of course. So you, it's आप सिंप्लीफाई करो. My biggest advice is don't complicate. ज़्यादा चीजें मत फैलाओ. Don't do over research. क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट है, 1-2% यहाँ वहाँ सब चलेगा, कम चलेगा. Simplify so that the money can go to your children. And this table is going to be very handy. आप जाइए, अगर कितने लोगों ने बना रखा है, how many of you have made this table? So you know, yeah. These are holders, ma'am. Husband, wife या कोई भी किसी एंटिटी, HUF है, बच्चे, फैमिली का है, सारा ट्रैक हो गया. टोटल फैमिली ABC.
मंथली करना चाहेंगे तो उसको मंथली में एक असेसमेंट करो कि कितना बढ़ा या कितना घटा.
सर वो आप टेबल बना सकते हो, ट्रैकर, जैसे लास्ट मंथ कितना था 11 पॉइंट, यू कैन ट्रैक दैट एंड इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू ट्रैक. बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज एंड यू डोंट हैव टू मेक इट प्रॉपर. आप डायरी में बना लो that it's there how much, and you'll be, one thing what will happen, you will be surprised आपके पास इतना पैसा भी है. जब आप बनाओगे ना, अरे इतना पैसा है मेरे पास, that's a big shocker lot of time. So this is something which you will do, it will solve all your problem, 50% of the problem. Okay, so you guys are going to do it? करेंगे? ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स ये सब बाद में आता है, it's not relevant. आप ये कर लो, it will take care. This is जो 80-20 होता है ना, 20% of the things contribute 80% of the result. This is that 20%. And not once, you have to do it every month. आप 2-3 घंटा निकालो, and let me tell you, I have few clients, you know, who have portfolio 500 crores, even 1000 crores वाले भी हैं. They ensure every month वो अपना टेबल खुद भरते हैं. मैं उनको बोलता हूँ सर मैं बना देता हूँ, we help them do that, but they will write expenses. खर्चे लिखेंगे, आई एम श्योर विच यू गाइस लॉट ऑफ डू, बट ये नेटवर्क दे मेक ऑन देयर ओन एवरी मंथ एंड दे सिट विथ अस ऑन दिस एवरी मंथ. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच यू हैव टू डू. यस. नाउ सेकंड इज you need to calculate the post expense and post tax return of each investment. This is where, you know, when an advisor brings a product to you, आपको ये analysis करना है कि boss, so for example tomorrow, you know, if you decide to hire me, let's say I tell you sir इसमें कर दो 10% return है. First thing you should ask, boss इसमें तेरा क्या commission है? How much you're going to earn? या ये product में जो product तू बेच रहा है, how much they are going to charge? Are they charging 5% per annum? If they're going to charge 5%, 10 में से तो 5 गया तो मेरे को तो 5 ही मिला. Lot of time, in fact most of the time it's never disclosed. They show you gross return. Expense की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. Lot of private equity fund, VC funds, they're so expensive, आप return भी आएगा आपको नहीं मिलेगा, वो खा जाएंगे. So one is a post expense. Second is post tax. In fact, Professor Sehgal was kind and he gave tax rules for all the investments. आपको उसमें लिखना है post tax क्या आएगा. And then you have to analyze with your benchmark. यार 8 आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, या जो भी आप risk ले रहे हो तो of course you should be rewarded more. Then you have to make a table like this. Sorry, काफी मेहनत करवा रहा हूँ मैं आप लोगों से, but trust me, this will help you. कि किस एसेट क्लास में कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट, कितना पैसा लगा हुआ है, कितना पोस्ट टैक्स पोस्ट एक्सपेंस रिटर्न आ रहा है. इफ एनीवन कम्स एंड से यू इतना आएगा, जस्ट डोंट गो ऑन दैट, जस्ट आस्क हिम पोस्ट टैक्स और पोस्ट एक्सपेंस बता मेरे को. एंड टू जज एडवाइजर इज, इसके ऊपर अगर मान लीजिए 10 बोल रहा हूं मैं कितना रख रहा हूं. डू आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्प्रेड? इफ द स्प्रेड इज लॉट, देन देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. Because advisor tends to recommend things where commissions are high. So once you start asking questions like this to your advisor, trust me, next time वो भी careful होके आएगा. अरे सर बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, it's better सर को
वही बात बताओ जो जवाब दे सकते.
Yes. So make this table. So similarly, FD fix comes in, fixed deposit. You know, when bank is offering you 8.5 or any bonds, any deposit, just calculate the post-tax return. Does it make sense? Or if you're doing your shares portfolio, you need to calculate kitna return aa raha hai. Like, lot of you are doing shares, right? आज तक आप लोगों ने calculate किया आपने कितना return कमाया है उसमें? So you are doing shares, we spoke. आपने calculate किया कितना return बनाया है?
Post tax और post expense.
हाँ. क्योंकि जिस दिन आप ये कैलकुलेट करके ये निकाल लोगे ना फिगर, फिर आप दिमाग लगाओगे यार इसको मैं कैसे बढ़ाऊं, कौन सी इन्वेस्टमेंट है जिसमें कम रिटर्न आ रहा है.
खुद के लिए पोस्ट एक्सपेंस क्या होगा?
जीरो, कोई एक्सपेंस नहीं. बट ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू आर डूइंग थ्रू ब्रोकिंग अकाउंट, हाउ मच इज दैट ब्रोकरेज चार्जिंग, तो वो आप अपने बैंक से चेक करेंगे. बट इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू कैलकुलेट, एंड वंस यू डू दैट द एफिशिएंसी विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम.
Actually, it is inbuilt into your overall annual income. So calculating the tax component may be difficult for us.
So you take approx.
You don't have to be exact. See, जैसे आप डिटेल में जाएंगे ना, होगा ही नहीं. कुछ भी बना लो, रफ बना लो. See, as soon as you try to make it perfect, वो होना ही नहीं है. हाँ, don't make network table, ये रफ बना लो. जो आपको लगता है अच्छा डेट में कितना आ रहा होगा, पीपीएफ रफ, अभी फर्स्ट जो इन 6 लिख दो. धीरे धीरे सर ने बोला it will improve. And you know, we all know what we measure will improve. What you will measure will improve. आपको कोई भी चीज improve करना है, weight loss करना है, measure कर लो. Start measuring, it will improve. Of course, ma'am, you're 100%. Yeah, sir.
Abroad, especially in the United States, you get particular kind of software which you just operate. You keep entering these things. They have all this. There, and you just have to open once a month or how many times what you like.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, we don't have those kind of softwares, but you have NSDL statements
And all which you can. Yeah, we don't have as of now, but I'll suggest आप manually कर लो, rough कर लो. When you will do, अच्छा sir, let me tell you the problem about software. Let me tell you problem about software. जब software करने लगेगा ना, फिर आप देखोगे भी नहीं. Like there are softwares in India like Perifos and many other which tracks your expense and income and shows you beautiful charts. हाँ, बैंक से. तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर मैंने भी उसमें किया, मैंने देखना ही बंद कर दिया. बट व्हेन यू मैनुअली राइट ना एक्सपेंस कहाँ जा रहा है, फिर आपके दिमाग में आता है अच्छा.
सॉफ्टवेयर बेस्ड तो AS26 हर साल आ ही जाते हैं.
Yes.
So you can calculate. Yes. But I want you to make investment wise. क्योंकि जब इन्वेस्टमेंट वाइज बनाओगे तो आप दिमाग लगाओगे यार इसमें कम आ रहा है या मैं इसमें करूं. ओके,
पर वो इन्वेस्टमेंट के साथ साथ रिस्क भी असेस करना चाहिए.
यस, सो आई विल कम टू दैट सर. नाउ थर्ड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वी नीड टू सेट अ टारगेट रिटर्न. ये सारी एक्सरसाइज इज फाइन, इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में नॉलेज हो गया, बट वी हैव टू सेट अ गोल, राइट? हाउ मच वी हैव टू अर्न, बिकॉज जब तक गोल नहीं है आप दिमाग ही नहीं लगाओगे. Could be possible your goal is only to earn 5%. नहीं करना मेरे को बवाल, मेरे को सारा पैसा. People have different priorities. See, it cannot be generalized. I have clients who says no, just make my money invest in government bonds. मेरे को नहीं कमाना 8%, नहीं कमाना. I have already have lot of money. Just ensuring कि जो पैसा है वो आ जाए, 5% आ जाए, ठीक है. So setting a goal is very important. Some people may be happy with 8, कोई बोलेगा नहीं है 12 चाहिए. So setting a goal is very important. How can you do that? See, it's a very personal decision. It's decided on the basis of risk profile. आपका conservative है, moderate है, aggressive है. If your conservative return will be low, क्या time horizon है? Are you investing for 1 year, 2 year? If it's a 1 year, 2 year, then you can't invest for long term. If it's आपको पैसा 10 साल बाद चाहिए, because the advantage with you people is that you get pension. तो आपके regular खर्चे निकलते जा रहे हैं. तो क्या ऐसा corpus है कि हम थोड़ा लंबे के लिए करें? So then you can take a risk. Any liquidity requirement coming up, children की wedding है, grandparents को children को देना है, any house you want to buy for them, so you have to plan the liquidity. See, the thumb rule is that any risky investments or equity investments you're not going to touch जिसका time horizon is not more than 5 year plus. जो पैसा आपको 5 से 10 साल नहीं चाहिए, at least 5 years I'll recommend, वही आप equity में करो. Otherwise keep it safe. Because equity markets, a lot of people don't have experience of equities. Equities may not give return for even 10 years. इंडिया में इंस्टेंसेस हुए 6-7 years तक रिटर्न नहीं आए. Globally, you know what has happened in Japan. Even US markets have been many periods when equities have not given 10 years any return. So you have to invest only long term पैसा. तो थोड़ा सा रफ कैलकुलेशन कर लो यार कि अगले 2-3 साल में कोई रिक्वायरमेंट आ रही है, कीप दैट सेफ. Yeah, man, depends on the type of mutual funds. Na? See, mutual funds are also different type. Bond funds, hai, debt funds, hai, equity funds. Hai. Equity funds in short term will be loss. I'll cover that chart about the loss and all. So you have to target a return of 8 to 12% post-expense, post-tax return. Conservative investor हो तो 8 तो चाहिए. Let me tell you. You calculate today. अगर 8 से नीचे आ रहा है return, then it's a problem. Aggressive हो 12-13 कर लो, moderate है तो 10 कर लो. But 8 to 12 is something which you have to figure out. Keep in mind the liquidity requirement. Yeah. And if you want, you can hire a financial advisor. He'll help you with that. Increase. I think the time is short, and it's time for. Will be very soon will be. So I'll be quickly moving the slides. Yeah. You can take the photos. We'll also send you the presentation. You can go through that.
Major rules बता दो जिनको.
चौथा, increase the efficiency of the portfolio. Allocate money in different asset classes as per target return. आपको allocate करना पड़ेगा. जैसे कई बार क्या होता है, आप stock mutual fund में करते तो हो कितना पैसा आपने किया. You invest very less. As per research, see, lot of time what happens, we spend time on picking shares. कौन सा इक्विटी फंड लें, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, पर पता चला आपने डाला ही 10 लाख है, 20 लाख है, आपके पास 2 करोड़ है. अब 20 लाख में आपने बहुत ज्यादा रिटर्न चढ़ा भी लिया तो क्या हुआ? इट्स ओनली 10% ऑफ योर पोर्टफोलियो. 90% इज स्टिल सिटिंग एट 6%. सो डूइंग द राइट एलोकेशन, इक्विटी में सही एलोकेशन या जो भी, सी इट कैन बी लैंड, देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग एसेट क्लास. जो आपको सही लगता है, जो आपको रिटर्न्स डिलीवर करते, दैट्स फाइन फॉर यू.
I will just add one thing with Mukesh because they are in the same boat as us.
Yeah.
Senior government employees है ना, क्योंकि हमारे पास भी पेंशन है, पीएफ है, सारा है. इसलिए मैं जो अपना पोर्टफोलियो है ना अभी, एंड नॉट दैट माइंड इज द बेस्ट, बट बाय प्रूडेंस मेरी अपनी और इनके साथ यूज करके मैं ऑलमोस्ट 70 to 75% अपने पोर्टफोलियो के एक्सपोजर इक्विटी में देता हूँ, 20 से 25% डेट में. बिकॉज बाकी तो डेट फॉर्म में एफडी भी है मेरे पास, पेंशन भी है और प्रॉविडेंट फंड भी है, इसलिए इक्विटी एक्सपोजर ज़्यादा लीजिए. सर डेट का ज़्यादा लेते हैं, कितना लेते हैं आप? 50-50 आपका?
40-60. 40 is equity, 60 is debt.
But we are 12 years between our life.
So everyone will have their different,
I'm 69,
allocation.
so I don't want to have risky.
उस हिसाब से जस्ट करना पड़ता है.
Gradually eliminate investments which are not good. Learn about new investment which can give higher return. Add new investments in the portfolio. ये continuous process है. आज ऐसा नहीं, अच्छा आज आपने सेशन किया, इसके बेसिस पे यू हैव डन द इन्वेस्टमेंट, अच्छा 2 साल बाद हम मिल रहे हैं या 5 साल बाद सर रिटर्न नहीं आया. इट्स अ कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस एंड दैट्स वेयर द डिसिप्लिन कम्स इन. अगेन दिस इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल थिंग. स्पेंड 2-3 hours ऑन योर पोर्टफोलियो एवरी मंथ. इट डजंट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. आप महीने में 2-3 घंटा भी निकाल लोगे, दैट्स इट. आई डोंट से कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम करो, दिस इज बेयर मिनिमम. अपडेट योर नेटवर्थ, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Evaluate existing investments and you can take help. See, I'll tell you where the financial advisor comes in. ऐसा नहीं कि financial advisor को ज़्यादा आता, by the way. Let me tell you, I'm not knowledgeable or anything, Maybe in lot of domain, let's say sir land में कर रहे हैं, lot of domain या shares में कर रहे हैं, you have more information than the financial advisor. Where the financial advisor comes is discipline. जैसे weight loss है, सबको पता है weight loss कैसे होता है. कम खाओ, exercise कर लो. That's it, right? It's a calorie deficit you have to run in the system. Challenge है, हो नहीं पाता. आपको वेट लॉस करना है ना, एक ट्रेनर रख लो, महीने के पैसे जाएंगे, वो डेली आएगा, हफ्ते में आएगा, उसी बहाने कुछ करोगे. सो सिमिलरली व्हेन यू हैव फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर, ही ब्रिंग्स डिसिप्लिन कि अच्छा यार ये मंथ में आया है तो इससे डिस्कस तो करेंगे, रिव्यू तो करेंगे. तो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, द डिसिप्लिन बिट, दैट्स वेयर वी कम इन. ओके. Acha, last, I'm done with my presentation. Just couple of slides. This is a data from Morgan Stanley. This was updated few years back, not updated. This shows major asset classes return: equity, gold, bank, fixed deposit, property, and inflation. क्या है? जैसे 20 years में inflation has been around 5.5, 10 years में 6. Property ने क्या return दिया है? Bank FD, And these are pre-tax, huh? Gold, equities. So one thing is for sure that equities has done very well. Even property has done very well. जो sir बोल रहे थे gold भी अच्छा करता है, and they all have done very well. But you have to verify पैसा हमने ज़्यादा कहाँ लगा रखा है. Are they more in the fixed deposit or PF kind of investments? We need to diversify. And what is the right among them? There is no कोई right नहीं है, कोई right wrong नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. I love land. Land is as good as equity अगर आप संभाल सको तो land ले लो और पैसा नहीं चाहिए. Land has a long cycle of 10 years. It doesn't have a regular income. So you need to diversify your money which achieves your goal. Acha, last slide. People lot of time are not investing in equity. Like Sehgal sir is investing very high in equity because he's comfortable. I took the chart of Sensex. Okay, this is since 1982 is Sensex. 86 है ये. 76 में it was, sorry 1986. Yeah, 79 में start हुआ था at 100 rupee. It started at 100 rupee, and today it has become 60,000. It has become 44 years में it has become 600 times. Okay, and but what I don't want to show ये इतना चढ़ गया. What I want to show, अगर ये देखो यहाँ पे you had Harshad Mehta scam, market गिरी, फिर चढ़ गई. You had a tech bubble correction 2000 में, वो गिरा, फिर चढ़ गई. 2008 में डैम से गिरा, there was a US crisis, वो गिर गई. 2013 में हुआ, अभी 2020 में हुआ. So market keeps going up. And see, this is not a share, this is Sensex. Sensex has top 30 companies. हो सकता है 30 में से 5 कंपनी खराब निकल गई, 5 नहीं ऐड हो जाएंगी. Why I told you in the beginning, equity to me is the safest, क्योंकि गिरेगा वो वापस आ जाएगा. Your bonds can default. Yes bank perpetual bonds defaulted, zero हो गया पैसा. Sir ने explain किया, credit rating of countries also different. Tomorrow India में default. हम सारा पैसा इंडिया में लगा के बैठे हैं. इंडिया में डिफॉल्ट क्या बड़ी बात है. इफ द क्राइसिस कम्स आवर नेबर्स, अगर यूक्रेन अभी फिर से वॉर एस्केलेट हो जाता है, एंड इफ द क्रूड गोज टू 130 एंड इट स्टेज देयर फॉर 6 months, वी विल बी इन ट्रबल. In fact, forget about us, most of the emerging markets will be in trouble. So equities is in long term is safe. Okay. This is more technical, but I'll just keep this. I'll send you the presentation. This shows that, मतलब 1 year में equity अगर 14% expected हो सकता है, 1 year में 73% positive दे, it may give you loss of 45% also. 3 years में the loss probability falls to 15, 5 years में flat हो जाता है, 10 years में it becomes 4%. So, the thumb rule is invest for 5 to 10 years in equity, you should be well. I'm not explaining, yeah. So that's about it. Time is short. These are my coordinates. The email is there, the mobile number is there. You can reach out to me for any help. Forget about the, hiring me or, that's not the objective. And if you need any help, any guidance, I'm always available.
Startup investments. I would like some elaboration on startup investments because he was repeatedly saying that Mukesh will speak about it.
So startup investments are fantastic investments.
Yes.
Provided you can do it. Okay. Now there are.
How is the do thing coming?
Do thing is comes in because see, there are funds. One option is you do through venture capital fund, private equity funds. Unfortunately, the funds are very expensive. When I say expensive, they charge a fees of 2 plus 20%. Which means they will charge an annual fees of 2% and 20% on whatever profit you have made. So if a fund gives you 20% return, pre-expense, post-expense it will give you around, and GST 13%. So 7% goes in expense. So when I said make a post-expense chart, that's where the problem comes. Any PE, VC funds, they're very expensive.
Liquidity is a big problem.
Liquidity is a problem, but you can do on your own. So for example, let's say you know anyone or your children, friends doing a startup, you can allocate, let's say 5 to 10% of your money over there, or maybe you can start with 5, कि चलो नहीं भी आया return या पैसा भी नहीं आया, it's fine.
Ma'am, after Akhil's presentation, 2 minutes I'll tell you how we do it.
Thank you so much, sir. We are running short of time and we will be taking all your questions. We are here.